Hi there, Kathy. It's Marcy here recording your video for you. I'm going to keep this short, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 3 things that you could do today to start bringing in more business to your company. And the 3 things that I'll cover are content, citations, and backlinks. I'll start with content. Well, actually, I'm going to start up here. I noticed that your site isn't secure. So, you might want to get whoever's handling your site to secure that up. Google is giving preference in the rankings to secure sites over a secure site that isn't secure. So that's a good thing to keep an eye on. So content. What content is, it's the information that you're providing on the home page of your website. So content is words, content is pictures. Let me take a look at your picture here. Good, you've got it named. A lot of times people don't. It's just the letters and numbers and gobbledygook that Google can't really read or tell what it is. So Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on the home page. So you could definitely add some here. That's what helps them to know what it is that you do. So when somebody types in windows, window design, window coverings, blinds, curtains, they're typing that into here. Google's going to go out and crawl the web, and they're going to want to serve up the most relevant results because they don't want people leaving their search engine. That's how they're making their money. So if they come across a site that just has a few words and the next site over it's got 1,000 words, they're going to see the one that has 1,000 words as being the expert in the industry, and so therefore they will have them showing higher in the search results. So that's a missed opportunity. You could go ahead and get a lot more content on here, and it's going to definitely improve your rankings. Next, I'll talk about backlinks. What a backlink is it's a link from a third-party site coming into your site. The internet's like a big popularity contest, so when other sites vote for you, aka give you a link back to your site, that in turn moves your site up through the search engines. So I have taken your URL and I've put it into a tool that shows us what's going on behind the scenes, and in this situation maybe looks like we had one backlink back here for a while at the beginning of beginning of 2019, and then that link dropped off. So that's why it's saying that we have no data. Historically, there was one link. So yeah, kind of like I was mentioning, when they look at it that way as being a popularity contest, it would be like there's no votes at the moment for your site. So between the content, between the backlinks, those couple of things, giving it a little bit of love is going to help to push you up and have you showing up in more results, and then have more people clicking on your site and finding out about you. Now, I found you in the map section, and that brings us to the third thing that I'm going to talk about, which is citations. So a citation is anywhere on the internet where you're going to find your business, exact business name, address, and phone number listed. So this map listing is an example of a citation. And what helps, because there's many maps listing, what helps to push you up in the rankings and hopefully be up here in the top 3 in best case scenario, is the more places on the internet that your business is cited, the more name, address, phone number. So anytime you come across a listing, don't miss the opportunity to put it in there. Even like have a Yelp listing, have 411 Yellow Pages, all those they're free listings, right? Or you can there are citation services. They can go ahead and do the listing for you because it can be time consuming, but it definitely pays off if you can get yourself up here. Now there's other things to help with the map section, optimizing, if you've got a lot of reviews, if you add content, so add pictures, you can make posts, things that you do here to optimize really helps out as well. But the biggest factor is having as many citations, or having more citations than the other guys. Same with the other things. More and not just more when it comes to the backlinks, because quality is definitely overrules the quantity when it comes to the backlinks. Some are more powerful than others, but more well-written content, more backlinks, more citations, and your site is going to be more visible to potential customers. So I'm going to email this off to you, and I'll follow up to make sure that you did in fact receive it. So we'll talk to you soon.